Okay, out with the Haibike All Mountain 3. I thought I'd give a retest of the flip in follow me mode on the mountain bike and using the DJI Mic Mini and using it with voice control, which worked really well with the Neo. So I thought I'd try it with the flip. I'll try it out. Hey fly. Hey fly. Right, that's strange. It's not doing anything unless I've got the volume turned down.
I didn't hear you clearly.
All right.
Repeat your command.
Okay, the volume turned down there. Hey fly. Follow close. Right, see if it's starting to follow me. Yeah, it's following me. Okay, so that's probably about medium level and quite close. Okay, so I can hear the drone behind me. Now I found when I was out on the bike with the Neo, it was really handy to have the Mic Mini on my lapel and using the voice control with the Neo. You could get it to go further, higher, lower, closer, and stop if necessary. So I thought I'd try it with the flip today. Now I'm hearing this beeping noise every so often. I'm not sure if that's it's probably the obstacle avoidance picking up. Light-wise, it's quite dappled light with the light shining through the tree, which dissect the drone if it's flying into that. Okay, I'm going to go a bit faster and see how the drone does. Okay, going about 16 miles an hour. I can still hear the drone, so I'm going to get it to go a bit higher, and I'll just say, hey fly.
Go ahead.
Higher.
No problem.
Okay, the drone should start to get higher now. Try it again. Hey fly, higher.
No problem.
Okay. Hey fly, closer.
No problem.
Oops. Yeah, it's doing well so far. Hey fly, further.
No problem.
So I'm going to get down to the track, the really steep track that goes up the hill. And this is a good test for the bike and the follow mode with the drone. It's very steep. So yeah, the drone seems to be right behind me. Right, I've already been up the track this morning, and the last time I was up it, there was a tree that had blown down across the track that made it quite awkward to get up. So I was up with the chainsaw and I've just cleared that, so it should give me a straight run. So I'm just going to change down gear as I get onto the steep bit here. So it's a drone behind. Hey fly, higher.
No problem.
Okay, so yeah, I can certainly hear it directly behind. Not sure how close it is, but it sounds quite close actually. Hey fly, closer.
No problem.
Hey fly, closer. Hey fly. Hey fly.
Here.
Closer.
No problem.
Right, it's on high just now, so I'm just going to get the drone to go to low. Hey fly, lower.
No problem.
So it should go down to about medium level now. Hey fly, lower.
No problem.
So it should be just off the ground now. Hey fly, lower.
Okay.
Okay, so see how that looks. Right, I'm about to go into the sun, which I know definitely affects the tracking with the Neo. Sun's quite high just now, but certainly at sunset it did cause a few problems cycling directly into the sun with the drone following. Right, this is where the tree was, which I've cut away. And at this point here the grass is quite high, and I'll get the drone just to go a wee bit higher. Hey fly, higher.
No problem.
Yeah, the Neo just ploughed through this without any problem, but I'm not so sure about the Flip. Okay, it's about the 19th or 20th of March just now. But it feels more like, you know, April, May, you know, with the weather really settled. Tracks are nice and dry. So yeah, the drone seems to be following just as well as the Neo. And this is a bit, they often lose GPS because of the thick tree canopy here. And I've had problems in the winter here when it's been very, you know, it's been dark and the vision centres haven't been great, as well as no GPS. Okay, so yeah, I'll be fascinated to see how the video compared to the Neo video, which the Neo video I thought was great, you know, absolutely fantastic. I'll get it to go a bit higher and hopefully it won't hit these trees up there. Hey fly.
Go ahead. Okay.
I'm going to get a bit of speed up going down here. I think it should be not too high. Yeah. Okay, so I'll go a bit faster now. Whoop. Oh. Right, drones obviously must have got quite close to something, sort of branch or something. So speed up again. Yeah, it's following well. Keep away from the tree branches here. Right, I'm about to go into the sun here. Hey fly, lower.
No problem.
Okay, so seems to be well. Hey, fly further.
No problem.
Okay, I've got this track here. The one that goes up the hill. It's quite steep. Plus, it's in and out the trees, so it's a good test. Hey, fly higher.
No problem.
So hopefully you can hear the app speaking back to me, the DJI Flip. It's still a bit muddy. Okay, so yeah, hey fly higher.
No problem.
So it's drones directly behind, which is good. This is I'm on the Haibike All Mountain 3, which is not great. I'm in sort of like turbo mode just now, in sort of mid-range in gears, and it's really straightforward. So I'm about to come out the tree at this point, and so the light changes, come out the forest rather, come out the trees. Okay, so it's more open hillside here, more affected by the wind. It's a bit of a breeze, but it's not too bad. So continue on up. Hey fly, higher.
No problem.
Hey fly, further.
No problem.
Hey fly, further. Hey fly, further.
No problem.
Sometimes it doesn't respond if I speak to it just after a previous command, so probably takes a few seconds to react to the command, and there's no point rushing it. They just won't respond. So quite breezy up here. So not the best or the neo in sort of winds. Get a bit of ruts here, just watch the pedals. See if we can get on the grass, avoid the wet. Okay, so going up the hill here. Right, so the wee Neo is great for this, and you really just don't worry about it. So the only disadvantage is the battery. You've got 10 minutes really. I'm just going to change gear. You can see the shadow of the drone. It's obviously quite close behind. Whoop. So I'd never really tried the follow, in the bike that far with the Flip. I like the idea of the Neo, just so small and light, you don't mind carrying it, you don't even notice it. Whereas the Flip, it's definitely a bit bigger, it's not as durable in the event of a crash, whereas the Neo just seems to bounce off things, you know. It's a little tank. So get up a wee bit and then I'll do a bit of downhill and try some of the other modes. You know, I keep thinking I'm going to run out of battery, but you know, I get over 20 minutes on the Flip compared to the 10 minutes of the Neo. Right, I'm just going to stop here. And there it goes, yeah. Going about quite a bit in the wind, but seems to be doing the drone. And that's it coming back. Okay, that's good. I mean, that's quite useful, yeah, because I'm not having to do anything. I'm going to get to do a circle up here. So I'm not using the control at all. I thought I'll go up in the bike here. I should be able to get a good circle up here without any obstacles to crash into. Hey fly, stop. The sound, it should pick up the sound because it's through the phone. So that's it, going round.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Gives me a good idea of, or gives you a good idea of where I am. So 20 meters. It's funny, it does 20 meters in a circle. Yeah, it only does 10 meters in a drone. You know, I think the circle would be, you know, okay. So that's direction track. So it seems to be working. But you keep going. So that's direction track there. Right. So if we can get.
If you've managed to stay with me for this length of the video, well done. What's happened now is that for some reason the sound hasn't been recorded on the video file. So I thought I'd take it as an opportunity to record a voiceover using the DJI Mic Mini Bluetooth receivers on my PC. So this is basically what it sounds like. So the bike's in direction track. Unfortunately, if you're using voice commands, you can't activate direction track using the voice command. You've got to activate it in the app on your phone. But once you've actually activated the direction track in the app on the phone, it works quite well. You can get it to go higher, lower, further, nearer, etc., etc. So what we're actually seeing here is I've got direction track and I've activated it side on. Okay, so it's actually activated side on. Now normally it would continue in the same direction in direction track, and if you went slightly off direction it would tend to fail, or you'd start to lose it. But interestingly, in this video I'm going down the tracks here and I'm turning around quite steep bends, and direction track is actually following me side on. It's still slightly behind at this point, but it's still following me mainly side on. The other thing about direction track is there tends to be a limit certainly if once it's in front of you, of about 6 miles an hour. Once you move faster than 6 miles an hour, you know, but it's a very fast walking pace, but quite slow for the bike. Once you go above that speed, in direction tracker will tend to move round to the side and end up following you. So I was quite impressed. I'm pretty certain I'm going more than 6 miles an hour, you know, as it's tracking me from the side. So this is the direction track from the side. Um, yeah, it's working really well. I didn't intend it to follow me side on originally, but you know, when I tried to get into direction track to follow from the front, oh, this is the point here, it goes round the corner. Now, I thought it would have continued on in a straight line, but it's actually, or started to follow me, but it's actually still tracking me side on, which is really good. Which was quite a surprise when I actually found it would actually do that. What I often find is that I try to get direction track to track me from the front, and you know, by the time you set it up, you've got about 5 seconds before it cancels and comes straight into you, which is what is about to happen here. As soon as I stop for 5 seconds, it will come in and cancel. So what I do next is I do direction track again, but from the front, and I'm using the phone at this point to the phone app to get it to go into direction track. So it will then go into direction track. Okay, so it's in direction track now, but it's now recording from the phone.
Yeah, it's working now. Okay, so that's direction track. Hey, fly higher.
No problem.
So this will be interesting. So quite close to these trees. Stop. Hey, fly lower.
Okay.
Hey, fly lower. Okay, so it should start to go low. Right, so it's a bit better for the control. And that's supposed to go low, it's actually still quite high, but probably because the ground's dropping down in front, you know, still a bit head height. Hey, fly, lower.
No problem.
Okay. So you really got to see what you're doing with direction track. Hey, fly, lower.
No problem.
But I seem to remember the circle wasn't a distance. You actually had to mention the actual number of meters. Okay, once about a tree, I'm going to get it to go higher. Hey, fly, higher. Hey, fly. Hey, fly. Higher.
Okay.
Hey, fly.
Here.
Higher.
Okay.
Okay, so it's quite high now. I don't think I'd go any higher than that. I'm going to get further out. Hey, fly.
Here.
Further.
No problem.
Hey, fly. Further.
Waiting for your
Further.
No problem.
So if I go a bit faster, I'll probably overtake it, then I'll go into follow me mode. Away from these trees. Right, so it's gone into follow me mode. Stop! Hey fly, stop! Hey fly.
Got it.
Okay. Hey fly, stop. Okay, back into the woods here. So I'm going to get the drone. Hey fly,
Got it.
lower.
No problem.
So it's quite low just now, which is good. Give a different perspective as I cycle up here. This is old Wade Road, military road. This goes through the Slochd pass. So these were built after the Jacobite rebellion to keep the Scots down. In the past, this would have been, I think, open hillside rather than forest, because certainly it was open hillside about 50 odd years ago. But there's quite extensive forest plantations now. It's very, very scenic. So, going to get it to go higher. Hey fly.
Here.
Higher. Higher.
No problem.
So it should be about medium height just now. Hey fly.
Waiting for your command.
Higher.
No problem.
Just watch out for the trees here. Let's go to the side here. The drone's pretty good, at least in AOS. Follows directly, so if you obviously don't go through the branches, it's not going to go through the branches. It actually follows your route. Oops, that's quite high. Yeah, get through there. I was worried about that branch there. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell how high the drone is without stopping and turning around. Hey fly.
Waiting for your command.
Closer.
No problem.
Right, I'm going up to the steep track uphill and steep track downhill. There's quite a variety of terrain here with lighting conditions, which gives a good test for the camera. So that the main Wade Road goes along there. This track was put in for the pylons when they made these. They replaced the pylons with giant pylons. I don't know what's happened there. Almost hit a branch or something. It's still behind me. Really loose coming down here. Better. Get a bit of speed here. Certainly 20 odd miles an hour, 22 miles an hour. Right, it's actually still behind. That's good. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, we're going on to the main track here. And up we go. So get a bit of speed going up. So it's me 16 miles an hour. The limit for the systems in the e-bike. So I'm just going to stop up here and pack the drone away. And